Hi. Hey y'all. Wanted to give you a short little video here explaining something major is going to happen on Tuesday. Today is November 2nd. Tuesday I am going to finish up the paperwork for the boat and everything. And really, it's not the boat. The boat is mine. It's in my name. It's the trailer that I've been waiting so long on. But got the title for it. Going to go pick it up Tuesday. And then the next 2 or 3 videos is going to be the story on this thing. It's going to be how I got the boat, where I got the boat, who I got the boat from, and how much the boat cost me. And it's going to go over 2 or 3 videos because you're not going to believe this story. Plus, I'm going to ask your help on something very, very major on what I should do. There's 2 different things I could do. Just want your opinion on what I should do. But in the boat, I'm figuring out my toilet situation and my shower situation, and I hooked up both pumps. One pump for the shower, and it works good. There's another pump in there. I'm not sure what it goes for. I think it's a second pump for my water, to supply water to my sink and my kitchen sink. I'm going to have to dive into that a little bit more. I've been out for the last 3 or 4 weeks with a back problem. I threw out my lower back and went by yesterday and got 2 cortisone shots in my back, but I may need to go and get an epidural. I've had one before and it healed it up, and so that's why I haven't been out here working. I did order my 2 windows, that glass windows, and they should be here within next 2 or 3 weeks. I bought a port window for here. That sucker cost me $150, which was the cheapest. I'm heading to the city sometime this week and going to pick up some through holes and get some prices on motors and different things like that. But I am going to start putting up videos hopefully on a weekly basis. As you can see, I do have light in here, but it's from my solar panels, so it's free lighting. But I'm trying to figure out my lights because I'm tearing up the dash, getting rid of the steering wheel, and I got a big video coming out on it, which is pretty cool, trying to pull that steering cable out, which is a pain in the butt. But I want to thank each and every one of you new subscribers. It's blowing up. I think I'm at 612 now. Really hoping to get to 1,000. Not because I'm going to monetize or anything like that. I don't plan on doing that. It may happen in the future, but I don't plan on it. And then later on, once we get the boat up and running and ready to put in the water, I am going to ask for a $1 donation to buy a certain piece that goes on the boat, a compass, a really good major compass. And I would like for everybody to say that they're a part of this boat by just giving $1, donating $1, and I could buy a really nice one. Or if somebody would like to really donate a good one, that would be awesome. But anyway, wanted to bring this video to you. Thanks for all the comments, the likes, the emails, the calls. Man, I've really needed it. It has given me a pat on the back. Being down for 3 or 4 weeks with a bad back, and I'm still loving this. I can't wait to start doing some painting in here. If it's kind of noisy, it's because of the tarp and everything in here. It's winter up here in North Missouri. So hey, thanks for staying with me. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, and share the video. Share. I really would like to get to 1,000 people. Appreciate y'all, and we'll talk soon.